welcome back. And guess what? Among Us. As you can see, I have some different apps, and I got Disney Plus. So let's play some Among Us. If I sound different, then yeah. Okay, so I have some new games. I just want to let you guys know. Let's reinstall Among Us, guys. Oh.
Nice try, bro. Nice try, bro. No.
Guys, I'm just letting you know.
It happens all the time. Don't worry about it. George, next prize, please.
Among Us does not actually have ads. If it does, then I did not know that.
This stylish collection by Caraway includes a 23-piece set of durable ceramic-coated food storage.
Guys, if you think I should install any other apps that you see, let me know in the comments.
And German steel woods. Thank you, Alexis. Isaiah, you're first. 625.
Oh, that was.
$700. Rita. $900. Charles. Actual retail price $1,105. Yes.
So yeah. Don't worry, guys. If you install an app that you paid for and then later on you want to reinstall it, then it'll be completely free. If you didn't know that, then that's fun facts with me. 9 apps. Okay.
A 30-inch freestanding electric range with a ceramic glass cooktop, extra large capacity dishwasher, and a French door refrigerator with an ice maker.
I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Peace out.